First and foremost important point is to in the research is to define the research problem very clearly. Unless or otherwise you defined your research problem very clearly and the objectives, it is not possible to carry out any type of research. Second part is research methodology. Methodology has to be very, very clear. And in case of academic writing, obviously you have to go through many articles which are of good standard so that you can uplift your writing skills up to that standard. These days people just sometimes copy from here and there. These things obviously leads to plagiarism, and plagiarism needs to be checked. So it is the duty of a researcher that he should not adopt such type of things, so that the publication can come out in a very good journal.